to get child support. We have an adopted son.
Okay. How old is your adopted son?
He's 16.
Okay.
And I've been taking care of him by myself for probably the last 6 years.
All right, guys, buckle up. Today we're stepping into a case where a mother raised her son alone for 6 long years while the father vanished. From the very first question, the tension is real. You can almost feel the weight of her voice as she explains she's cared for him without a penny of help. The silence that follows says it all. This story isn't ordinary.
Because I couldn't have children, and so Mr. Sanchez thought that we should adopt.
The judge listens closely as she explains they adopted because she couldn't have children. What should have been a story of compassion turns into one of betrayal. You realize instantly this isn't about money. It's about morals. The heartbreak in her tone shows how easily promises can turn to abandonment when responsibility becomes inconvenient.
Years ago, he also decided that he should have a secretarial person in his life, so to speak.
What do you mean by that?
He had an affair with his secretary.
Oh, okay.
And so I was left to raise our son by myself.
When she mentions her husband's affair with the secretary, the entire room shifts. The courtroom goes from routine to revelation in seconds. The betrayal adds fuel to fire, showing exactly why she stands alone today. You can sense the judge's growing frustration. This case is about more than finances. It's about dignity lost.
You're raising him by yourself. He's not giving you any type of support?
No.
Do you know if he has any money?
I know he does. I know that his parents just recently passed away, and they had a big farm, and they had a lot of land, and they had a bunch of cows, and so I know they're worth something, and he's always had a steady job.
The father sits unbothered, as if years of neglect mean nothing. That cold attachment almost feels rehearsed. The narrator's sharp tone cuts through the air, reminding everyone that raising a child isn't an optional act of kindness. It's a duty. The man's apathy begins to unravel under the weight of his own choices.
For the government forever, and he doesn't think that he should have to pay me any child support because he said it's not his biological child. And
Wait a minute, real quick. You understand that an adopted child is your legal responsibility, right?
Absolutely, and I never said I don't take care of.
Then comes his excuse. He's not my biological child. The courtroom freezes. It's a claim that instantly flips sympathy into disbelief. The judge's eyes narrow, her patience fading fast. This was a man who signed the adoption papers himself. Now, pretending biology erases responsibility. That line alone defines the arrogance on trial.
Take care of my child,
Okay.
even though he is adopted.
Okay. Well, even though the adoption part has nothing to do with it. And from now on, don't call him adoptive son, okay? He's your son.
That's correct.
Legally adopted, your
That's
son.
correct.
Okay.
Judge Vaughn wastes no time dismantling his defense, reminding him that adoption makes a parent by law and by heart. The mother nods quietly, its validation long overdue. The observer inside you feels a mix of satisfaction and fury. Watching his smug confidence crumble is poetic justice served in real time.